Nakakakain lang ako nun pagka umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, pero merong mga available dito.
Sa kanto ng Bathurst Street at Wilson Avenue, ginanap ang Toronto Fiesta Extravaganza ngayong weekend. Ito ang unang beses na isinagawa ang festival sa lugar na ito na kilala bilang Little Manila.
This is the first street festival of the Toronto Fiesta Extravaganza. We've been into 3 different places. This is a chance. We found a place to stay every year to celebrate the heritage of Filipino tradition.
Whether there is a festival or not, there's always a lot of Filipinos here. And today, there's only like 3 o'clock in the afternoon at makikita nyo na punong-puno po ng tao dito sa kalye ng Wilson Avenue at Bathurst.
Ayon sa isang organizer, mahalagang magsagawa ng ganitong klaseng pagtitipon para mapaalala sa mga kababayan na nandito rin sa Canada ang ating kultura.
They take away an experience for those people who hasn't have the time to go home for the last 10 years. It's a weekend as if they are home. This is a place where they can experience as if they are home for the last 10 years.
Bagay na naramdaman nga ng ilan sa mga dumalo nitong Sabado.
It's really important for us here because you're far away from home, and when we're coming here, it feels like we are at the Philippines.
Yung mga culture nandito, para kasing nasa Pilipinas ka eh. Pagka pumunta ka dito sa ganitong mga festival, parang hindi mo na kailangan umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Ikinatuwa rin ng ilan ang iba't ibang klase ng pagkaing Pinoy na mabibili.
Halo-halo, kwek-kwek, halo-halo, fishball, barbecue, talites, name it.
Mangga at bagong, and then this side, kwek-kwek and the hot dog.
And the food here, the Filipino food, it tastes really good. Everybody should try it. It's so good and tasty.
Yes.
Naging oportunidad din ito para makihalubilo sa mga kababayan.
What I like the most about this festival, probably just the people enjoying the vibe and experiencing all this together.
I want to feel the Filipino community again. I want to eat kwek-kwek basically and just want to be here and part like the Filipino community.
It's very important because we live in a multicultural society and it's nice to embrace different cultures and learn different things and enjoy different customs and cultures.
Fiesta Extravaganza started off with one festival and now there are 12 strong across this beautiful country. This month we're celebrating Filipino Heritage Month, so naturally happy to be here with the Filipino-Canadian community and so many others here to support.
Malaking tulong din daw ito para sa mga small businesses.
For small businesses, we're vendors. We're here like part-time. It's good just to get our name out, and it's also good just to be able to meet new people, try to start, maybe even build more connections, and just being able to show Toronto what the Filipino culture is about.
Matapos ang trahedya sa Vancouver noong Abril, naging prioridad din daw ang kaligtasan ng mga dumalo ayon sa organizer.
As a organizer of a festival, we always take safety precaution every time. No matter how big or how small is the festival, safety is always number 1.
Isinagawa ang Toronto Fiesta Extravaganza ngayong June 28 at 29. Susunod naman silang makikita sa Vaughan, Ontario ngayong Hulyo. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.